Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain chili oil using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, ensuring they adhere to Jain dietary principles. This means no onion or garlic, of course. You'll need fresh red chilies, a good quality sesame oil, and a few aromatic spices. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient, so let's get started with our preparation. Next, let's prepare our chili base. Take about 1 cup of fresh red chilies and roughly chop them. Then, transfer these chilies to a food processor or mortar and pestle. Add just a pinch of salt and grind them into a coarse paste. It's important not to add any water during this step, as we want a concentrated chili flavor for our oil. This paste will be the heart of our delicious chili oil. Now for the infusion process, which is where the magic happens. Heat about 1.5 cups of sesame oil in a saucepan over medium heat until it's warm but not smoking. Add a few whole spices, such as a small piece of star anise and a cinnamon stick, to the oil to infuse their aroma. Once the oil is ready, carefully pour this hot, aromatic oil directly over your prepared chili paste in a heat-proof bowl. Be cautious, as it will sizzle. Finally, let's finish and store our homemade Jain chili oil. Allow the oil to cool down completely to room temperature. This cooling period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. If you prefer a clear oil, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Otherwise, leave the solids in for extra texture and flavor. Transfer your delicious chili oil to a clean, airtight jar. It will keep well for up to 3 months in your pantry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.